The equipment is a basic electrical training system. The main function of the device is complete the basic teaching tasks related to power electronics. The main contents include half-wave, full-wave rectification circuit connection training, bridge, rectifier, RC filter line connection training. The equipment mainly consists of 4 modules: power modules, instrument measurement modules, rectifier circuit modules, load module. Let's take half-wave, full-wave rectifier circuit as an example. Explain how to operate the experiment. You can connect according to the above screening training. The line is connected for personal safety. Low voltage connection. 220 is converted into AC 24 volt through transformer for test. Let's talk about half-wave rectification experiment and check the effect of half-wave rectification. Connect according to the screening training. First, connect the plus of the transformer output to the diode. Connect the other end of the diode to resistor. The other end of the resistor is connected to the transformer minus. The resistor turns to the left to increase and to the right to decrease. Use either of these two groups. The resistor is duplex. The effect is the same on both sides. Both sides of the regulating resistance change the same. Power the transformer. Connect the power supply to supply the AC 220 volt power. Turn on the oscilloscope. Power supply of the oscilloscope should be connected in advance. Turn on the switch. To facilitate the test, extend the wire to the ground negative of the probe. Adjust the oscilloscope to the appropriate gear. The knob is used to adjust the y-axis display position. This is fine-tuning. This is to adjust the x-axis. This is time-based adjustment. This is precision adjustment. Now the measurement is AC, so turn to AC. You can see the waveform by adjusting this knob. Look at the waveform. He has already removed the button. It shows a half-wave shape. This is a related experiment of half-wave filter circuit. Now let's do the full wave line connection experiment. First, connect the line according to the screening printing. This is a double output transformer. This is a common terminal. Its two ends, upper and lower, are connected to two diodes respectively. Short the other end of the two diodes to the end of a resistor. The other end of a resistor is connected to the common end of the transformer. Then power up the line. Power transmission of equipment. Also use oscilloscope to measure the waveform of both ends of the resistor. By adjusting this knob, you can clearly see that the current waveform presents a full wave state. No button and the top removed. Because there is no filter circuit, the waveform is a little rough. The experiment is over.